You may have come across our problem treasure hunt, in which a treasure is hidden somewhere on a grid and you use coordinates to try and find the treasure. I'm going to introduce Liz to our three-dimensional version of treasure hunt. Here you've still got X and Y coordinates, but you've also got a Z coordinate that tells you how far up you go from sort of the ground floor, so to speak. So why don't you have a go, Liz, at choosing an X, a Y, and a Z coordinate and see how far from the treasure you are.
Okay, I will do. I'm going to try the points, let's try 1, 8, 3 to start with. I'll click here where it says test coordinates. Oh, and we're told I'm 14 steps away. That's not very close.
Wow, so 14 steps away. So maybe you need to change the X coordinate by 5 and the Y coordinate by 7, 5 and 7, 12, and the Z coordinate by 2. But it could be that you need to change one of the coordinates by 4 and each of the other ones by 5. There are lots of different combinations, changes you could make. You're still far away. There's lots of places where the treasure could be. Do you want to have a second guess?
Okay, why not? Well, perhaps I'll just focus on the X coordinate at the moment. Maybe I've started too close to the origin. Why don't I change this? So I'm gonna change this to a 4. So I'm going to go slightly further to the right and test again and hope that I get a bit closer.
You have got closer. You moved 3 further to the right, and you've got 3 closer. So it looks like you're moving in the right direction. So you may have to move a bit further, but you also may have to change your Y coordinates, you may have to change your Z coordinates. And of course, you can change more than one coordinate at a time if you like.
Okay.
So you're on the route to finding the treasure. And if we carried on, I'm sure you'd find the treasure. But the challenge to everybody, have a go, play with this, and you may like to know, it is possible to find a strategy that allows you to find the treasure, to always find the treasure, in fewer than 5 goes. So that's a challenge for everybody. Can you find that strategy?